for the Bulgarian split squat, the most important thing is that you keep your hips nice and stable. So square to the front the whole time, and you'll get a little bit of a stretch happening in your legs. Let's have a look at it, and you can see how that works. So you're going to have one foot elevated. I'm using a couch because that's nice and easy for me. You're going to engage your butt in the throughout the whole movement. Keep your back as vertical as you can, and then you're going to take the in-breath to stabilize the spine. Keep the hips nice and square and lower down. And then as you lift up, you're going to breathe out. So again, super important to keep the butt engaged, but also keep your core engaged so that your back stays nice and stable throughout the whole movement. If you like, you can load it up with some dumbbells in the hands to make it more challenging for you. You might need to adjust the height of the back foot depending on your mobility. So if you find that your hips are rotating as you go down, then that's a reason to lower down your back foot elevation. Apart from that, that is the Bulgarian split squat.